Alright, welcome to your final review video numbers 1 and 2. For the first one, we are going to simplify the sum. This guy is a fancy, dancy way of saying combine like terms. So we're looking for things that have the same number of u's in this case, so we can put them together. So I noticed we have 8u cubed. We also have another 8u cubed. So really, I'm going to do 8u cubed plus 8u cubed plus... Next, I notice I have a 7u squared, and now there's no other 7u squared, so that guy is on its own. Then we have a negative 2u. Again, that guy's on its own too, because we don't have any other u's. And then the last one, we have 4 and 8. So we have plus 4 plus 8. Now, do you have to write it all out like this? Absolutely not. But if this helps you see combined like terms, by all means, do it. All right, for my first one, we're going to have 16u cubed. And then my 7u squared and my minus 2u are going to come down. My last one, 4 plus 8, gives me 12. So my final answer would be 16u cubed plus 7u squared minus 2u plus 12. Number 2, we're going to simplify the difference. This time we're subtracting. The only difference between adding and subtracting is now we have to distribute the negative. So my first thing is going to stay the same. We have 2w squared minus 7w minus 5. And if we distribute our negative, we're going to have a minus 3w squared, then a minus 6w, and then a plus 4. Again, we just flipped our sign. We distributed the negative. We're going to combine like terms. So I notice I have 2w squared and minus 3w squared. Again, I'm going to write it out this way. If you can just combine like terms on your own, that's cool too. We have our minus 7y and our, minus 7w and our minus 6w. And then my last one, we're going to have plus. I see a negative 5, and I see a positive 4. Again, we're just going to simplify. 2 and minus 3 gives me a negative 1w squared. Again, you can write the 1 in front of your w, but you don't have to. Negative 7 minus 6 gives me a negative 13w. And then my last one, we have negative 5 plus 4 gives me a negative 1. And this guy will be our final answer.